Everybody being much more accepting. So how do you feel about that?
I love it. I love it. I really, really feel very grateful that I happen to be at the right place at the right time. And the fact that I'm working with, that most of the younger actors come with some trepidation that abhi pata nahi kya hone wala hai. They realize very soon कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, and they become so comfortable कि मुझे लात मार कर उनको याद दिलाना पड़ता है मैं सीनियर हूँ, behave yourselves. But it is a very exciting time, and for me the realization that 50 years since I started, I'm still doing work that I enjoy. For this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, this is Divya from India Films. She seems like a very sweet, simple, homely girl, which she is. But then she goes through a turmoil and loses her innocence and does not even know what depth she has. And I have, as a character, discovered that depth while doing this. And it was a great experience for me. And how Raji, that seems like she can, you know, how she flips completely and how her morals and everything, like, you'll see how it changes. It was a discovery for Shalini and while playing Raji for me. So it was very interesting playing Raji. Yeah.
But Kesavi is sub judice, so I can't say I have to ask him. So, I loved I loved my character. I can't say much about it. So, but as she said, the cast, the story, the producers, everything was so amazing that you can't say no to it. So that was it. But जब आप सर देंगे, सर आप दोगे, सब जुडीज है. So that's about it, yeah.
Thank you, and wish you the best. Thank you. Shalini, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. How are you?
Fantastic, thank you. Shalini, how was the experience of stepping into the Dabba Cartel, and especially alongside seasoned actors like Shabana Ji and Gajraj Sir and Jyotika?
First of all, thank you everyone for coming. I hope you really like our trailer. We're very excited. And then now coming to the question. I have my mum, my dad, they love Shabana Azmi. I've heard about her through them, from them, and I've seen her films. I've been a huge fan. So, just to be a part of a cast like this, it's a privilege. It's a very enriching experience to just be starring alongside her and all the women, and we had a lot of fun. So yes, Gajraj sir and I didn't have a scene together. I wish we do, because I admire his work. Jyotika, of course, I've seen her work, and I have just had a lot of fun working with these women. And again, like how Jyotika said, to be a part of a team that has so many women, headed by women, Shibani, Monica, everyone, it was just so much fun to be a part of a set like this. So I had a lot of fun, yeah.
आज हवन करके आई हैं.
सब रट के आई हुई.
No, but wish you the best and thank you so much. We're looking forward to that. Thank you. Anjali, पहले सबसे पहले चाबी दे दो मेरी वापस.
नहीं मिलेगी.
अभी चाबी नहीं, चलो पैसे तो दे दो यार.
वो भी नहीं मिलेंगे.
Well, आप डब्बा कार्टेल में एक ब्रोकर का रोल प्ले कर रही है, एंड बताइए इस रोल के लिए कितना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आपने यूज़ किया है, एंड कोई ऐसी रियल लाइफ इंस्पिरेशन या ऑब्जर्वेशन जो आपके कैरेक्टर को शेप करने में आपको हेल्प करी.
अगर आपने कभी बॉम्बे में घर ढूंढने की कोशिश की है तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट वन एक्सपीरियंस इज इनफ. आई थिंक टू सी हाउ ब्रोकर एंड एस्टेट एजेंट वर्क्स, नॉट द फैंसी वंस दैट वी सी, पर वो जो हमारे एक्चुअल रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स होते हैं, द वे दे बिहेव, द वे दे जस्ट डोंट केयर अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स. दे आर लाइक, आ जाओ घर दिखा दो, मेरे पास चाबी है. सो आई थिंक दैट कॉन्फिडेंस एंड दैट आई रूल द वर्ल्ड एटीट्यूड इज वॉट आई थिंक शाहिदा इज ऑल अबाउट. एंड या, I think that was enough experience for me to. I have seen maybe 100 houses in Bombay before moving into something, and I think that was enough experience for me to play Shahida the way I did.
और मुंबई के रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स का कॉन्फिडेंस और एटीट्यूड आप में पूरा का पूरा झलक रहा है इस फिल्म में.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, मैम, My next question is for you, and आप अपने character के बारे में, if you could share something, what can we expect from you in Dabba Cartel?
I don't know what you can expect. I enjoy doing it because though I hated my wig, which I put on for this show, which was a very bad mistake, I'm saying it because Shabana's going to make some lob about it. Every time we would shoot, you know, I decided to wear this wig, I don't know for God knows what reason, to look different, to look like this madam who has moved on from the drug trade and is not really moved on, but is sort of moved up in society. And I don't know why I decided to do it. So I have to talk about the wig because it was a very important part of our shoot. And it was a ghastly wig, not because of the production. It just turned out to be a very poor wig. And every time we shot, it was always open air. So matlab ye wig had a life of its own. यहाँ से वहाँ मेरे मुंह पे सब कुछ. And रोज शबाना जी कहती थी, हाँ और विग पहनो, मम्मी मम्मी मुझे विग पहनना है. So ये हमारा sort of byline बन गया शो में. And so one was of course the character, which was a very interesting character. She had nice shades to her, and I can't say very much about the character, but I thoroughly enjoyed doing the series. It's not a very large role, but it's an interesting role because it was Farhan and Shivani's show, and I got to do a lot of scenes with one of my very favorite actresses, which was Shabana. So I think that was a big pull. The producers and Shabana. Unfortunately, all these lovely ladies didn't have too many scenes with me. But we had a few, and they were a lovely bunch. And the trailer is looking amazing, absolutely. So I'm really looking forward. I hope I'm not a miss and blink in the series. Farhan, I'm looking at you and Shivani. You can answer.
No, that week will never go unnoticed.